Hi there! Today we're gonna be making Italian macaroons, and these are totally different from the French macaroons that we know, so let's jump right to it. Here is what we're gonna need. I'm gonna start off by adding sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, 1 egg white, a pinch of salt. I'm gonna use a whisk to mix all the ingredients together. And I almost forgot to add the almond extract. I'm gonna add a few drops of that. Now that the ingredients are thoroughly combined, I'm gonna add the king of the dish, that is coconut. I'm gonna keep mixing until I get that sticky, thick consistency. This is the exact consistency that we're looking for. We want to make sure that it's moist enough to hold its shape, and in case it's not, feel free to add more sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna shape these as uniformly as I can and transfer them into a baking tray that is lined with a parchment paper. Now I'm gonna roll half of the macaroons in coconut to get that crunchy crust and leave the other half. You will know why I did that in a minute. Now I'm gonna transfer the tray into a 350-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes or until golden. The macaroons are now done. I'm gonna let them cool down so we're ready for our last step. Here comes my favorite step, chocolate dipping. I'm gonna only dip the bottoms of the ones that I have rolled in coconuts, and this is what the recipe says. But since I'm a chocolate lover, I decided I wanted to dip some of these completely in chocolate, and that's why I did not roll some of them in coconut, otherwise the flakes would mess up the chocolate. I had put them in the fridge until the chocolate completely hardened, and now they're ready to serve. Enjoy your macaroons with a freshly brewed cup of espresso.